To use Napkin AI, paste the text onto the document. Then click on the lightning bolt to the left and let the AI magic do its work. Once the visual populates, there are several layouts to choose from. There are also various styles within each layout. After choosing a layout and style, you can customize your visual by changing the background, color, and the aspect ratio. You can customize the visual further by editing the text, font, size, color, and more. Lastly, you can change out the icons by clicking on the lightning bolt. You can export your visual as a PNG, SVG, or PDF. When you export, you have additional options of light or dark mode, a white or transparent background, and resolution size before downloading or copying it to your clipboard.